In today's video, we are pitting the Epson LS800 against the ViewSonic LS901-4K to see which laser projector truly dominates. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these projectors, make sure to check the link in the description below. The Epson LS800 wows with its ultra-short throw design that sits just inches from your wall and fills it with a 150-inch picture, while the ViewSonic LS901-4K demands a bit more breathing room at 7 to 13 feet, but fights ambient light with a searing 5,500 lumens compared to the Epson's very respectable 4,000. The Epson's 3-chip 3 LCD technology delivers flawless color without any rainbow effects. Yet the ViewSonic's DLP engine hits a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate and 4.2 milliseconds input lag that gamers will absolutely love, making it a clear winner for fast-paced action. Whereas the LS800 counters with a built-in Yamaha 2.1 channel sound system and Android TV that save you from buying extra speakers and streaming sticks, giving it a serious all-in-one convenience edge over the ViewSonic, which requires external audio and sources but rewards you with a versatile 1.7x optical zoom, 360-degree projection, and curved screen support that the fixed-throw Epson simply cannot match. The Epson's 10-bit HDR and 4K PRO-UHD create a cinematic, contrast-rich image that shines in dark home theaters, while the ViewSonic SuperColor and HDR/HLG compatibility maintain vibrant, punchy visuals even in well-lit rooms. So if you have windows or ambient light, the higher brightness of the ViewSonic is a lifesaver. But if you want that rich, immersive movie feel without any distracting artifacts, the Epson's 3 LCD panel is hard to beat. Setup is a breeze with the Epson thanks to its multi-point adjustment and adaptable feet. Yet the ViewSonic offers horizontal and vertical keystone, 4-corner correction, and even a golf simulation mode that adds fun versatility for sports enthusiasts, which the Epson lacks. Considering all these factors, if I had to choose one, I would lean toward the ViewSonic LS901-4K because its superior brightness, incredible gaming performance, and flexible installation options make it more adaptable to various room conditions and user needs, while the Epson remains a fantastic choice for those who value space-saving design and built-in smart features. Whichever you prefer, remember that the best price is waiting for you in the description below. So click that link and grab your perfect projector today.